Today I'll be showing you how you can trade with Touch Billions Exchange, no matter where you are in the world, how you can be able to trade with us. Now, one of the unique thing about Touch Billion Exchange is the fact that we're tested and trusted, and our rates are very, very competitive, and also we have fast transactions. So once you are in our platform, touchbillionexchange.com, this is what it looks like. Now, if you're a first timer, then you would need to click on the button here below called sign up. So once you click on sign up there, you have to just fill in your details, your first name, your last name, your email, your country, your phone number, password. If you don't have a referral ID, just tap on then the agreeing to our terms and condition, and you click on sign up, right? So, but if you have an account already, so just go to sign in. Once you sign in, once you log in, this is what it looks like, right? So by the left hand side, we have trade, we have transactions, affiliate support, email, profile. So I'll just go straight to the idea of trade now. All right, so this is what it looks like. You can see flash of various prices, but if you go to the exchange rate calculator, right? So if you go to exchange rate calculator, you type on exchange rate calculator. So you can see from what currency to what currency. So let's assume you want to exchange USDT, right? So you tap on USDT here, and how many worth of USDT do you want to exchange? For example, what do you want to exchange to Naira, right? So you tap on Naira. So how many worth of USDT? Let's say you want to exchange 100. Now you can see the rate, an interesting rate for that matter. So our rate today is 1,505, right? So you can click on proceed to exchange, right? Once you click on proceed to what? Exchange, right? If you click on proceed to exchange, it takes you to the point where you see here you are about to trade $100 worth of USDT. You'll receive 150,500. Please kindly enter recipient details below. So you put your details here. So let's say, for example, I have my details here. So you can see below there's a note: ensure you drop the right account details for payment, because that's the account details we receive. That's the account details we're going to pay to. Then of course, let's trade clean. Then thanks for your patronage. So you just click on what? Proceed to payment. Once you click on proceed to payment, you're going to see the point where you're going to make your payment. So let's say, for example, you want to transfer to TRC20, you can transfer that. You want to transfer to Binance Smart Chain, you can transfer that. So copy the right chain, but most of the time we have TRC20 available. Then once you've done your transfer to the wallet address provided here, you select your file, because we'll need a screenshot. So let's say, for example, I choose on file. I can just go and select any file at all, right? Just for purpose of this video. So I'll just select this file here. That will just be like an example, right? And I will now click on submit. So I just selected a file. I click on submit trade. So once you submit this trade, we are actually going to be notified. So thank you, Victor. Your trade is being processed. You receive your payment shortly. So you can see that this is your trade, $100 worth, the balance, the money you receive, and of course the payment, right? So you can see that it's currently what's pending. So if you go to dashboard, for example, you can see your trade here. Your trade is currently pending, which is your recent transaction, right? So we are going to send the money to your account, and of course this status of pending will actually change to complete, right? So but then you must have received your money. Now of course, if you click on transaction, you're going to see your transaction here. You can see your transaction here, the date, the time you made that stuff, and you can also get to see the receipt that you uploaded here, right? If you click on download, you get to see that. You can also get to see the support. You can actually get to call us directly, right? You can also get to chat us up on WhatsApp immediately, and of course our address is also there, right? What it looks like now, once the transaction is successful, you can see that the status will change from pending to completed, right? If you go to your transaction there, you can see that. If you go to your dashboard as well, you can see that that transaction is successful. Why? Because you have received your money, or you have received your USDT, right? So let's trade. Do well to just reach out at some point in time and let us, carry out transactions for you. Once again, welcome to Touch Billion Exchange. and we value and cherish you.